Hi kids! Today, you will be learning about turns and 8-point compass. This is the compass. This is what we actually use to find our way. The compass indicates different directions: the north, the south, east, and west. Before we continue, it is important that we know what is clockwise and anti-clockwise. When we say clockwise, we are following the movement of the clock, which is going to the right. That means if we are in this part, moving clockwise direction will be going to the right. And of course, when we say anti-clockwise, it is the opposite way, which is going to the left. Now let's talk about the turns. Going to different directions should follow different turns. If you have this 4-point compass, you have the north, the south, the east, and the west. You should always remember that north is in front of you, south is at the back of you, east is at the right side, and west is your left side. In here, from north to west, we did a 1/4 turn, or 90 degrees turn. Why is it 1/4 turn or 90 degrees turn? Let us imagine that this is a one whole square. Okay. As you can see, this is 1/4 part of the square. This is another 1/4, another 1/4, and another 1/4. So if we move from north to west, or if we move from north to east, we move 1/4 turn because this is just 1/4 part of the whole. Okay? So if we're going to move from north going to the south, that is 1/2 turn, or 180 degrees. Why is it 180 degrees? Because as you can see from here going there, that is a straight line. And we know that straight line is 180 degrees. 1/2 turn because 1/4 plus 1/4 is equal to 1/2. The same if we will go from east to west or from west to east, that is also 1/2 turn. Let us continue. From north going to the east, that will be 3/4 turn, or 270 degrees. Okay, and of course, the last one is from north to north again. That is what we call the 1 full turn or complete turn. Or we can call it 360 degrees. In the first compass that I show you is the 4-point compass because it has only 4 directions, which is the north, south, east, and west. This one is what we call the 8-point compass. As you can see, there are 8 directions. We have the north, south, east, west. Between north and east is northeast. Between east and south is southeast. Between west and south is southwest. Between west and north is northwest. We said that north to west is a 1/4 turn or 90 degrees. Same with north to east, it is also 90 degrees. Now, since these 90 degrees were divided into 2, therefore, the angle from north to northwest is 45 degrees. Therefore, each of these directions has 45 degrees angle. So this is 45, another 45, another 45, another 45 degrees, and another 45 degrees. Now, again, from north to west, that is 90 degrees because it's 45 plus 45. That's 90 degrees. How about, let's say, from north to southwest? That is 90 plus 45 is equal to 135 degrees. Next, we have from north to south. We know that this is 180 degrees as it is a straight line. Next, let's add another 45 degrees from north to southeast. 180 plus another 45, that will be 225 degrees. Next, we have from north again to east, which is, we have to add another 45 degrees from 225, or we just add 390 degrees. That will be 270 degrees. Next, from north to northeast, another 45 degrees, and that is 315 degrees. And the last one is from north going to north again, which is 1 full turn or 360 degrees. Now let's try to answer this. Jane is standing at A. This is A, facing the north. Look at the diagram and answer the questions. Before we answer this, it is important that we have a copy or we have a drawing of the 8-point compass so that we will have a guide. So again, this is the north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. We should also have a copy of where the clockwise direction is, which is going to the right, and anti-clockwise, which is going to the left. Now let's try to answer this. The main entrance of the zoo is blank of Jane. So Jane is in here, and the main entrance is where? That is the north. Therefore, the main entrance of the zoo is north of Jane. Next, the blank is northwest of Jane. So from here, where is northwest? Northwest is in here. Therefore, this is northwest of Jane. So that is horse riding zone. Next, Jane faces northeast. So from here again, facing northeast, northeast is in here, which is aviary zone. She makes a blank turn clockwise to face the cafe. So she's going to move clockwise, meaning it is going to the right. And she has to face the cafe. What turn did she do? So from here until there, that is 1/2 turn. Okay, you see this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, or this is 1/4 and another 1/4. So this is 1/2 turn. Next, Jane faces southwest. So southwest is this one. Therefore, Jane is facing the cafe. She turns anti-clockwise through an angle of blank. So anti-clockwise meaning going to the left. So from here, she will go back, going to the left, and she ends up facing the elephant zone. So from here, she will move going to the elephant zone. So from here until there, how many degrees is that? It is 45 degrees. So she turns anti-clockwise through an angle of 45 degrees. Let's have this example. Look at the grid and fill in the blanks. You see the different letters and their points in the grid. Again, north is in there. It is important that we have a copy of the 8-point compass for us to be guided, and it will be easier for us to identify the places of each letter. So north, south, east, west, northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Let's start. We have here an example. Q is northeast of P. This is Q. This is P. So where is Q? It is northeast. You see northeast of P. This is P. Q is northeast of P. Next, O is blank of M. Where is M? This is M. Where is O? From M, what is the direction of O? That is south. So therefore, O is south of M. Next, K is blank of Q. K K is blank of Q. Q is in here. Where is K? There is K. So meaning K is west of Q. Next one. O is southwest of blank. What's on the blank? Where is O? This is O, and it says there O is southwest. This is southwest. O is southwest of what? It's either P or Q. O is southwest of P or Q. Next, Q is east of, so this is Q, east of what? Where is the east? This is east. Q is in the east of what letter? K. So Q is east of K. Next, M is blank of O. M is O. So where is M? What direction of O is M? That is north. So M is north of O. Next one. Blank is southeast of P. This is P. Where is southeast of P? Southeast is in here. So that means southeast of P is R. R is southeast of P. And the last one, blank is northwest of P. Again, this is P. Where is northwest of P? Northwest is this one. So therefore, northwest is M. M is northwest of P. I hope you learned something from Teacher Awit. Till next time!